There's one sound frequency shift that changed my life and helped me to manifest millions of dollars. And this is something that you probably haven't heard about, but in a secret meeting between elites, they actually agreed to change the musical frequency, the default musical frequency, from 432 hertz to 440 hertz. And this might sound insignificant, but this actually had a huge impact on how easily people were able to manifest and how high your frequency is able to be. So as I said, I manifested millions of dollars. I created and attracted my dream life, and part of the reason that I was able to do this, a big reason that I was able to manifest these things, was that I stopped listening to 440 hertz music. I started listening instead to frequency tracks, audio tuned to the abundance frequency of 432 hertz, the golden ratio, the kind of like the harmonious abundant frequency of Earth. And this made a huge difference. By the way, comment if you've ever heard about this before, and if you've had any thoughts or if you've heard any conspiracy theories or crazy ideas about the exact thing, because I'd really love to see how much you know. So you may or may not know that sound frequency change, they entrain your emotional field, your frequency, your vibration. Sound frequencies change these things. And the elites knew this, like the people in power knew this, hundreds and thousands of years ago. They knew that sound had this effect on the human body. So what's interesting is that 432 hertz promotes like harmony, abundance in the body. It promotes harmony between the heart and the mind. And this is really important for manifestation. Your frequency needs to be aligned. Everything needs to be in tune. If things are out of line inside the body and the mind, then this is when things like disease can start being created, disharmony, madness, and all kinds of other problems. So you need to use intentional sound frequency to fix this problem. And this is something that I am very passionate about, and I actually put a lot of effort into making a album of audio track frequency to 432 hertz, but also laced with manifestation and abundance frequencies and programs and messages, so that you can manifest abundance much easier by essentially just listening to a piece of music, by listening to an audio track from this album of tracks that I have had an audio team develop. So if you want to listen to these things and check them out, you can check the link in the description, and hopefully and leave a comment if you've ever heard about this kind of thing before.